how to add video structured data to YouTube embeds. In this video session, I'm going to show you how easy it is to add video structured data to YouTube embeds. Simply visit Rankia website and find this blog, because I've created sample codes for you to quickly and easily modify. Simply press on the zip folder, download to your local computer, and then right click and extract the contents. Here you have a file. You can right click, open with Notepad if you want. Okay, so let me actually show you, as in guide you step by step as to how to go about modifying this file. It's basically a script. Okay, so this is how we add video structured data to YouTube embeds. First, grab the video ID. Video ID for each YouTube video can be found in the URL after the equal sign. That's your video ID. So whatever you're embedded on your website, simply grab the video ID. And here, as you can see, I've said change video ID. That means simply copy and paste that video ID there. Then let's grab the video title, which is the title of your video, and paste that in there on each line. Then here, description. Let's just grab this description. You can make the description unique if you want. Simply describe the video in a short manner as to what the viewer will see when they watch your YouTube embed as a YouTube video. Okay, here we have upload date, right? You can actually find that information by pressing on Ctrl-U on the video watch page, and don't be overwhelmed with all this coding here. Press on Ctrl-F on your keyboard to find upload date. Here we have upload date with the time format already set for you for your YouTube embeds. Okay, so you can paste it in there. That's your upload date. Then we have the video duration. Here for this video it's 12 minutes and 36 seconds. Then simply change that there. And seconds is 36. Let's imagine the video that you're embedding is 3 minutes long. If that's the case, you would say 03 there, okay? And that's the minutes of the duration, and that's the seconds. And that's it. Copy. So once you make the modification, make sure that script is on the page where you're embedding your YouTube videos. Simply place the code underneath the iframe. Let's preview the code. And as we can see, your YouTube embed will be shown on your website, on your web page, but that code that you've inserted, it cannot be seen on the front end. That means people won't be able to see it. But if we look at the source code by pressing Ctrl-U on our keyboard, and let's search for the, let's say hello world here. I've made that hello world because above it we have that script, right? So we can copy the whole script. We can go to rich results tester I'll actually do that now. Place the code and test the code. And look what will happen. As you can see, Google search engine can understand all this stuff. By using this method, what will happen is you'll actually further guide Google about the YouTube embedded video on your website and also your YouTube channel. Before I close up, let's actually do something like this. Let's say your YouTube channel. Let's imagine your website is linking to your YouTube channel. If that's the case, we can use item prop equals colon same as. When we preview that, now we're adding a little bit more insights. When Google follows this link, it will create association between your YouTube channel and your website. So, are there different ways to add structured data for videos, for YouTube embeds? Yes, but I've just shown you a quick and easy method that's only going to take you 2 minutes to add JSON-LD script that is valid and Google can recognize it. Before I close up, keep in mind that if you're using Google Search Console and you're looking at video page indexing report, video is not the main content of the page. Issues are perfectly normal for YouTube embeds on your own website. Well, that is the case in 99.9% of cases, okay? What that means is when people search Google, they will actually see your YouTube videos. When they search YouTube, they'll also see and find your YouTube videos. Keep in mind, Rank actually has videos for how to rank YouTube videos fast. And I encourage you to watch it if you haven't done so already. I thank you for learning with Rankia, and if you've benefited from this video session and you find this particular blog post and the sample script useful, please share this video